Good morning, everyone. So right now we are just about to leave the house. Got the trailer connected. I'm about to go get the E46 from the cage shop, so let's go. Alright guys, we just made it to TC Designs where the roll cage was just finished. Let me just show you guys how I do this trailer real quick. So we got the recovery winch. Okay, let me put the key in here. Just like that. Bam, turn that. And then we take this one. This is pretty cool. How this trailer works. So, one second. You gotta do a hold both down. This is kind of like what sinks them. Now it's synced, and then wait a second. There we go. Now this will work. Go down. What the fuck? Sorry, this is how it goes down. The remote's not working, but kind of just look at that hole right there and watch it go down. Really good for low cars right here. Alright, wait for it. Should lower. Perfect, we're on the ground now. All right, we're going to unlock the winch, pull this guy out, come all the way back with it. There's the car over there. Woo, sick. And yeah, we can pull up the car. This is the car, guys, from TC so far. So we got the rear quarters welded on, M3 style, M3 bumper, full cage, of course, to the shock towers, front and the rear. Look at this cage, absolutely beautiful. We also got a carbon roof. This thing weighs like 1 pound. Really dope dash in there too. Dang guys, this thing's gonna be insane. This car's gonna be so nuts when it's done. Long ways to go, but great progress for sure. Super dope steering wheel too. Sweet. Awesome. Look at this car, guys. This thing is absolutely insane. Look at that fucking dash. Oh my god. This thing is crazy. Car's nuts. Woo. Look at that steering wheel. So sick. We're going up. This special tool we got going on right here. There's always a tool for everything, huh?
There's a tool for everything.
Always. You should push the axle right out. It's got a piston in it or something and it shoots it right in there. Yeah. There we go. Alright guys, just like that, we're off like a prom dress. Got about a 2-hour drive. So let's get to it. Just made it back to the shop. Race car's back over there. Oh shit. Alright. Can't show you the code. It's a secret. Got the Spec E46 right there. We just got that new stacker. So hyped because we're gonna be racing the Spec E46 and that new Endurance E46 race car. It's gonna be super sick. My Miata's in there. We're gonna be selling that very soon, probably by the time this video goes up or before. But yeah, it'll be a nice little combo. But anyways, let's get this E46 in here, loaded up. Oh, finally to have it back. It's been, the heck, oh shit. It's been since February we dropped it off, so months. months. So he unloads that. Let's put this thing in the air. Here's the interior of this car. This car is amazing. This car is actually so awesome. Can't wait to start racing this thing. So nice. Here's my E30. So sick. Look at that. So easy. So easy.
With that trailer.
It really is. Dude, look at the purple. Oh my god. That is sexy right there. Too bad we gotta paint over it, but that's sick. So sick. I love how they did the rear tray right there to get rid of the spare tire spot. And this dash is so beautiful. So sick. Ooh, look at the dead pedal. That's dope. You see the dead pedal in there? It's so nice.
It is $350 for that.
350 bucks the dead pedal.
Option.
This thing has some serious steering angle. This thing probably weighs like 1,000 pounds in its current state with no engine, no tranny. So light. Damn, this is gonna be a resting place for a little bit. Damn, look at that fitment though. Fitment's crazy. Look how much they rolled these fenders. It's insane. Like, that is crazy. Definitely need some glaze on there, smooth it out, but crazy. We're gonna be able to fit some huge tires on this car. Huge. I think those are big. Wait till you guys see what's going on this thing. And the engine, it's gonna be insane. So, yeah, look how they went right to the shock towers with the dimple dyed piece. Ooh, that's beautiful. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Straight to the point, we got the car, got a bunch of parts for it. But yeah, me and my dad are super happy with how TC Designs built this roll cage and the dash and all those pieces. It looks amazing. And we can't wait to get the ball rolling on the project even more with the motor and everything else. So yeah, stay tuned and have a great day. Peace.